their claws, and I had about 30 different products, and I was carrying down to Coogee, and the first 2-3 hours of the day I was just writing out customs dex forms to send them off to the USA where a lot of my customers were. And if I wanted to go on holiday, I couldn't do it. I actually had to ask my mum to come in and pick up my packs and send them off, and that's not really good. She didn't particularly like that either, but it's not really a leverageable business. I couldn't really scale up. If I had 1,000 people buy my product the following day, could I go down the post office with 1,000 products? So the advantage of using Amazon is you're storing it in their warehouse, you're using their really $1 billion logistical system where they deliver products to your customers for you. They do the tracking, they do the shipping, they basically take care of everything, refunds, the whole thing. It all gets the customer service, you get a customer coming up and go, I bought this product like 2 weeks ago, where's my product? Do you have to deal with that? No, Amazon takes care of that for you. So you don't want to deal with those headaches. That's a big advantage of using this $1 billion infrastructure that Amazon has built. It's such a huge advantage of using this structure that Mr. Jeff Bezos built, because it just makes it so easy now to be in the physical product business and be able to fulfill all your customers. Does that make sense? Yes or yes?